Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find wallpaper and style. Let's tap on it. Then let's simply tap on change wallpapers. As you can see here, we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So let's tap on change wallpapers, and here we've got some sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got the dynamic lock screen and Samsung global goals, so of course you can choose something from those options. There we've got some solid colors which are pre-installed, the graphical options which are also pre-installed. Here we've got our own gallery, so of course we can set our own photo as a wallpaper, or the featured ones which are also pre-installed, they are static ones. So all you have to do in order to check the preview, you have to simply tap on it. And as you can see, now you can decide where you want to apply it, so you can set it either on the lock screen, home screen, or both. So make sure that you've got the option you want to use marked. So as you can see, I will apply it on both, and let's tap on next. There we've got the preview, so you can check whether you like it or not, and if you are happy with the results and everything, simply tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back to the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.